definition on the mount attack, one of the problems that happens, okay, is you can maintain the mount long enough sometimes to finish the guy. So if you're not getting rolled over, a lot of times you start with a choke or something, and the guy traps one of your legs. That's all the two of you doing. You guys are doing great, but it comes to a point if the guy rotates the body, whether the hip and then the shoulder, that he gets into an angle that you're unstable. All right? As long as the guy is flat, it's okay. When you start to kind of rotate the body, it's like you're on a rocking boat. Okay? So you gotta shut that down. How do you do that? Okay? You always imagine an X. Okay, an X. A lot of times, even when you guys put weight on people, let's say here, the guy's here, and I want to smother him, okay, which is what I want you to do right off the bat. Smother the guy. You don't go straight. You go straight against, what's your name again?
Taylor.
Mr. Taylor, do you do that escape sometimes you push the armpit and you come and get your legs over? Do you like that one?
Yes.
I know because your body type just tells what you like. Are you a triangle guy too?
Yeah.
Shoulder lock maybe, omoplata?
Kimura more.
Okay, cool. I missed on that one, but I was right about the amount skip. Okay, so here, when you're here, so basically what you want to do, from here you go here, you pick a shoulder. You see, I pick a shoulder. And once I pick that shoulder, I lower myself. Do you see that? Now, how do you feel here in terms of turning?
I'm not turning.
You see what I'm saying? And here, if you do want to do, if you cannot turn, it's hard for you to escape the legs right away. You want to reach for my legs, it's kind of like I'm lower. A lot of times you guys are higher, and you're here sitting on the guy, and if you go for the attack and the guy doesn't grab and try to roll you, you start to frame and turn and hit you in the rocking boat. Look, my foot is getting stuck. Okay? So connect with the guy's shoulder, lower a little bit, and here, remember what I told you about the windshield? You start to kind of get your arms out just so you can open space to get the collar. You see that? Hold the pillar. Yeah, keep blocking with your other hand. Yeah, hold the pillar. If he tries to escape right now, it takes a little bit of time. Then you hold a key. Hold a key, like you have a key. Don't give your fingers. What you want to do is put the key under the guy's chest, on top of the guy's chest, under my arm, then open your elbow and rotate your hip a little bit. My hip pushes through. Look, the second hand is not on the collar yet. I want to get the hand through first, and then I get the collar afterwards. I kind of roll my wrist back in. Your mistake sometimes you want to get the collar and the guy's blocking. The guy has a hand here, block, stay there for a second. I'm trying to get that key in, it's not gonna go. Okay, so here, real quick. Let's say this was the position. All right, I got this. So I will try to rotate. As I rotate, I open my elbow. Look, my hip pushes his elbow, look. Once I push the elbow, I go through. Now I arch and I get the collar. You see how my fingers here scratching the collar right there? I got it. I'm gonna keep loose here. Hold as tight as you want. The way you tap the guy here, you have to be like hovering on the guy like an albatross. Okay? So here, I fist on the ground, fist pushes down, look, I go high. By the time I'm here, he's dead. How does that feel?
Not good.
Okay? And if he gets to roll you, which is gonna be a lot harder, you do the crunch, the hip lift, and the wiggle, you tap it from the guard, so you never miss the choke, even if you get rolled over. But you have to go through the guy's defense, okay? One more time. So I'm here, right? Shoulder, and like a lizard, look, I backtrack like a lizard. I push the elbow a little bit, look. Push here, look, I open the space. Boom. He's trying to do whatever. Hold the pillar, go the key, rotate a little bit, hand through. Now arch. When you arch, you scratch the fingers in. You got it? Now as you go down here, push the fist against the ground and move your head to the middle if you want to really pull the torque like a bow and arrow finish. You guys cool with that? Okay, so here. What allows the second hand to go through, just for a second here. Yeah, you hear blocking stuff. Yeah, block my hand. What allows to go through is my hip pushing forward and turning out. Look, boom, I got that collar. I got that hand through. Now I arch, get the collar. Now I go low and push my fist against the ground, move to the middle, pull down the grip. That's all she wrote. Tap each other out one more time. 1, 2, 3, up.